Hey, hello everyone. This is Balaji Reddy Lachanagari from RushiTechnologies. I am going to start a new DevOps with AWS batch from August 2nd. It's an evening batch, evening 7:30 to 9 o'clock we will be having a classes. So if you are a recently graduated or you are already working in IT and a different domain, maybe testing or development or DBA, this is the right course for you guys to switch to the DevOps role. So this is not intermediate level course or a basics level course, it will be a real-time project oriented training. I have prepared the syllabus according to the DevOps roadmap of 2025 with the advanced tools like Istio, Argo CD, Git Actions, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Docker. If you get a train from this RushiTechnologies, I can guarantee assist you. You will be having a real-time exposure around 4 to 5 years of experience guys who already working on DevOps, how much knowledge they will be having. You are going to have that much skill set. Definitely it will help you to enhance your career and you can easily get into a better opportunities. I will be providing access to the recordings for 1 year and I will be providing a interview questions and answers and scenario based questions also will be discussing as part of the training, and also one-to-one mentorship, one-to-one career counseling. And if you are stuck somewhere, you can anytime 24/7 there is a trainer support. You are always reach out to me over any channel like WhatsApp or directly you can call me over phone. Definitely I will assist you. And also we will be discussing various advanced tools with the real-time project oriented training. So we will be taking some projects and I will help you to create a CI/CD pipelines, monitoring solutions, infrastructure setup, configuration management. So with this training, right, you can gain around 15 plus DevOps tools we are going to discuss as part of this course. For more details, kindly reach out to me on the given numbers and you can find a detailed syllabus in our website rushitechnologies.com. Thank you. See you on August 2nd.